Now, we're not seeing anything as severe as that, thank goodness, but we are talking about our own worries here at home, Ron, and that is that wet, heavy, dense snow.
Yeah, and it's coming our way. Let me just say, with those storms down south, with the amount of damage that we have saw, it is amazing that they aren't reporting any fatalities from that. Simply just almost kind of a minor miracle out there that they haven't. Let's talk about what's going on here. It is a first alert weather day. Why is it a first alert weather day? Because the snow that we are expecting today, and it's not going to last very long, but it's going to have an impact on your morning commute. In fact, over the next hour, we're going to start to see that snow moving into Allegheny County. It'll be around 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock this morning. Right now, it's right along the state line. Starting to see the first snow also in Greene County. And we also have some snow, kind of the first band of snow. It was dry coming through places generally south of I-80, especially into Allegheny and Washington County. But places like Lawrence, parts of Butler and Beaver County did see some snow. That's now generally moved north, at least the steadiest of that snow, north of I-80 that we're dealing with there. We do have more snow. You can see it down around the Wheeling area, stretching over to Morgantown, also starting to move into Greene County. So this is going to be lifting to the north, and we'll also see the snow that's to the west moving to the east. So this will start to move in. So that is where our snow is coming from. It probably is dry. If you're in Allegheny County, it's dry right now where you are, but things are going to be changing pretty quickly over the next hour. This is going to be a fairly dense, heavy, thick snow that's coming in. The atmosphere, though, the surface, our temperatures are hovering around 32 degrees. Road temperatures generally are still just above 32 degrees. So this is going to be kind of a slushy mess as you're heading into work and school this morning. I know there's a number, I think over 100 delays already because of the snow and what we are expecting. We will start to see those road conditions kind of being slushy and probably slowing down. You'll see traffic numbers coming down, slowing down over the next hour to 2 hours. Probably not over the next hour, but after that, from that hour to the next hour, that's when the road impact is really going to start to be felt. We do have the winter weather advisory. It goes through 1 o'clock today. The impact is really to the morning commute. Hey, by 10 o'clock or so, if it's not all rain, it's going to be a mixture of snow and rain at that point, and temperatures are expected to be into the mid-30s at that time. We are going to expect to see more snow to the north. That's where I have 2 to 4 inches. I've really brought down those bigger totals, but 2 to 4 inches still possible north of Allegheny County. I now have Allegheny County. If you remember yesterday, Allegheny County, parts of the county at least north of the parkways was in that 2 to 4 range. I've now brought up that 1 to 3 inch range into Allegheny County. So most of the county, you're looking at 1 to 3 inches now, not that higher total. And that 2 to 4 inch range stretches through the Laurel Highlands also. All right, what about temperatures? So important on a morning like this. We're hovering at 32 in Pittsburgh. Hey, it's 31 in Zelienople and Butler at 31 degrees. Here's what we expect today. The first round of snow is now through. Now, this particular model is very interesting. It shows most of the snow south of Allegheny County and really not a lot of snow at all in Allegheny County at all. I think that we do still see some decent snow here, especially with this secondary push that comes in between 8 and 10 o'clock. I think even before that, though, we have snow around. The snow changes over very quickly to rain for the afternoon hours, and then we once again see another changeover overnight tonight at around 3 o'clock, where we'll see any rain, light rain, changing over to some snow showers for tomorrow morning's commute. Not expected to have as much of an impact as what we have today. 39 today. It is a first alert weather day because of the impact on the morning commute when it comes to snow. 38 Thursday. 32 on Friday, and as we're heading into the weekend, pretty seasonal, a high of 36 on Saturday and rain around on Sunday.